Hey everyone, so today I have a miniature popmart haul for you. I have three sweeping spooky tails, and I have three pop bean fortune bags, and I just wanted to open this up for you. I also did get one Doku in the kitchen, but I opened it off camera, and I got the one I didn't want. I got the Korean Chef, which is based off the Daejangum drama. But I really wanted one of the food ones, so this is just kind of whatever for me. We'll leave this Daku right there though. So, what I want to do is show you the Pop Bean Fortune bag. And there's a bunch in here. There are no secrets in this one. So there's 15 different varieties you can get, and it's all 1 out of 15 chance. So you can get a Molly, a Skull Panda, Dimu, Zimomo, Sweet Bean, Pucky, Bobo and Coco, Hachipupu, Nagora, Vivi Cat, Crybaby, Rory, Nori, Fubobo, and Tsusumi. The ones I want are the series I collect. So Dimu, I would like a Sweet Bean, and a Hachipupu, and a Pucky. So those four are the ones that I really want. And I believe each bag comes with 5 inside. So let's go ahead and just open the first one. Oh, so it looks like it comes in miniature bags. This gives me the ice popsicle vibe. So let's just open all 3 of them. So we have 15 bags right here. We're just gonna open one by one and hope for as little doubles as possible. So here's the first bag. Oh my goodness, we have Hachipupu! Nice, we got one of the 4 that I wanted. That is a good start. Okay, next one. It's a red one. And we have the Susumi. So bag number 3. Oh, it's a different color. We have the... Oh, drop. So, we have Pucky. Okay, we have another one that we wanted, so we only have 2 more to go. We just need Dimu and Sweet Bean. Last time I didn't get a Dimu, so let's hope we get a Dimu this time. Number 4. It's an orange one. And you are Nagora. I've never collected Nagora before, but it is a pretty cool blind box. Next one. Oh. I saw the color and I saw a cat, so I thought it was like another Nagora, but it is Fubobo. This is really cute too. So far we got 5 different ones, no doubles. Bag number 6. Oh, it's a new color. And we have Crybaby. Okay, next. This is bag number 7. And we have Rory. We have Rory here. This one's pretty cute too. I love the color scheme. Very soft. We're at the halfway mark. Come on, Dimu. We have Molly with a crown. Next one. Oh no, is it a different one? Oh, we have Dimu. You're my first Dimu Pop Bean, thank you. Oh my gosh. It's because I didn't get one before. Finally. We have 5 more left to go. Oh. And we have Skull Panda. And it's a very shiny red. It's the only shiny... It's the only glossy one we have. Of course, Skull Panda gets the best one. Oh, it's Nori. So Nori is like... There aren't many Nori Pop Beans. And she's also shiny. Oh, that's so cool. The 11th one. Sweet Bean. We have Sweet Bean, and it has a gold cap, and it's also glossy. So many glossy ones in a row. And this one. Ooh, we got VV Cat. Oh, look at that. I love the white and periwinkle color. Here's the 14th bag. Oh, we have another Pucky, so it's our first double. Okay, last bag. And it's a new one. We have Zmomo. You know what I just realized? All of them, all these like Chinese characters in the back is all a different thing. So we opened all 15 fortune bags. I only bought 3 packs, but out of the 15, we got 14 of them. The only one we're missing is actually Bobo and Coco, which maybe I'll have to buy that separately to complete the whole set, but very, very good. I'm ready for Sweet Bean Spooky Tales. So originally when I saw this, I was like not super into it, but I saw the lineup and you can't say no to this lineup. I love that Poisonous Mushroom one. I also love the Forest Witch and the Vampire one and the Grim Reaper, and especially the Secret. Now, I've never gotten a Secret on my own except one time. My Secret luck is not very good, so I'm hoping for either this one, or this one. But they're all super cute. I love this design a lot. So let's open it. Okay, it's very bulky. Oh, pumpkin? The head comes off. Because the head comes off, it's giving me Headless Horseman vibes. Oh, and it's supposed to be holding this lollipop. Here it is. So we have the pumpkin monster. And it's pretty cute. It's actually really shiny and glossy and very hefty. Okay, you get to go up here. Box number 2. Let's go. Oh, it's the Yeti monster. And it has a little snowball. So here's the Yeti monster and its snowball, and this is the card. Another very heavy one. Man, maybe I should have gotten the whole set. It's too cute. Then the last one. Is it? I have my pumpkin forest witch thing. I have forest witch. And it comes with a little ghost. Okay, so we have forest witch and it comes with a little ghost. Now, I usually don't like the color orange, but the forest witch I cannot say no to. It is so cute. So the sweet beans, the spooky sweet beans are definitely a hit. I wish I got more than just 3 because they are too cute. I regret my decisions. And my fortune bag this time around was pretty good. I only had to buy 3 bags and we got 14 out of 15. That's not bad. So I hope you all enjoy this quick video and thank you all for watching.